So hello everyone, my name is Arjun Singh, and in this video we are going to discuss some Unit 2 revision concepts. And these are the some our topics. We are covering these topics in our upcoming videos in this series. So first is a time complexity and two pointers and pros, windows sliding and shorting. Some we have for shorting, we gonna to read selection and bubble short. Uh so like two pointer approach and sliding window. Yeah, window sliding is important topic, like important concept for this some particular range of questions. When the when we talk about some time complexity, and you know we cannot solve all these questions by our nested loops or for loops. So for that we have to take care of some things which is called time complexity, and we are going to discuss complexity in deep in our first video of unit 2. So thank you so much guys, and keep watching this.